How to make a private Facebook. Open Facebook app. Tap menu icon. Scroll down. Tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Tap Privacy Checkup. Tap Who can see what you share. Tap Continue. Set only me on each item. Tap Next. Set only me on each item. Tap Next. Tap Next. Tap Next. Tap Review another topic. You can also go through other items of these settings. In them it is possible to limit zatypy in friends, etc. You can see how other Facebook users see your profile. Open your Profile tab. Tap the three dots icon. Tap View As.